Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage non-disclosure agreements with DocuSign detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your DocuSign account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the New button to start a new envelope. Select Send an envelope from the drop-down menu. In the Add Documents to the Envelope section, click on Upload to choose your non-disclosure agreement document. After uploading, click Next to proceed. In the Add Recipients section, enter the email addresses of all parties involved. Assign recipient roles by selecting whether each party is a signatory or needs to take additional actions. Click on Next to move to the tagging screen. Here, drag and drop the appropriate fields onto the NDA where signatures and initializations are required. Set the signing order if needed by adjusting the sequence. Once all fields are filled and arranged, click on Next again. Review the envelope for completeness and accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Send to distribute the NDA. The recipients will receive an email prompting them to review and sign the agreement. Monitor the status of the envelope in your DocuSign dashboard. You'll receive notifications as each party reviews and signs the NDA. Once all signatures are collected, download the finalized document from your dashboard. Store the signed NDA in a safe and organized location for future reference. If needed, set reminders to follow up with any parties who have not yet signed. Utilize DocuSign's templates feature for quicker processing of future NDAs. Regularly review your agreements to ensure compliance and update them as necessary. That's it. You have successfully managed a non-disclosure agreement with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.